Hey everybody. Hey everybody. I'm Sig Fig Fred and I am here in place of my human counterpart right now because he is busy doing something and I just wanted to come on here and show you a haul that we both got this week, April 21st, 2022. So without further ado, I'm going to scoot over here just a little bit here so that you can see the haul right here. And here we go. Here is the Lego haul. So I might just move myself around the screen and out of the way from time to time. Maybe just be ahead. I don't know. Try to keep ahead of things. Okay, so first off, I got some Bricklink parts because I was building a Toy Fair 2011 Boba Fett Miniland figure. And I saw this on the Brickstar channel. And Jabbo's a friend of mine, so anyway, I decided that I wanted to build this. So because I collect Boba Fett's and all that Slave One stuff, so anyway, I ran out of parts when I was building, and I had to order some. So here we are, and I had to get 2 orders from 2 different places in order to fulfill the parts list for that. So there's the first order. There was quite a few parts in that one. Yeah, thumbs up on that one there. So that was pretty good. Now, the second parcel is in the white envelope, and that contains about maybe 6 parts, but it was the 6 parts that they didn't have at the other store. So I had to do what I had to do to get the other parts type of thing. So we got those other parts, and let's see what they are. Yeah, open up that envelope there, get the old X-Acto knife out. Here comes the surprise. Okay, so what we have is basically just like a few parts. One was that dark green long slope. That's hard to find because it's only in a couple sets. And, well, I never had it, so I had to order that and some other parts. So I think I had like 1, 2, 3, 4 parts that I needed. And that was it. So, yeah, kind of a lame haul there, but it's not really lame because we needed the parts, right? So, and then I found this at the local Dollarama. It's made by Montoy, and I really wanted a pterodon. I think it's called a pterodon. But anyway, for $1.25, I thought I'll give it a try, see what it looks like. So, actually, it's there's like 8 that you can get that they have for the set. Anyway, I just got one just for the look of it, and I think I'll put this one on top of the Flintstones house or in around the Flintstones area because, you know, they had like these flying critters back in the Flintstones era. So yeah, so we're going to put that there, and that's pretty much it. There's different ones. The T-Rex was number 1, and the plastic components in there. There's not very many, but they look pretty good. We'll do that as a build sometime. Okay, so there's the haul. Just wanted to share that with you. Hopefully, the regular Manfred will be back sometime soon. Anyway, see you guys again in the next video. Remember to like and subscribe. Talk to y'all laters.